Can we talk? Let's talk about the split screen mind. Did you know you have a split screen mind? You know what a split screen is. It's a TV screen that has two talking heads, two pictures of reality juxtaposed to each other, but they're totally incompatible. And yet they're held in the same screen. Let's talk about that. My name is Ed Conley, and I've been talking about the split screen mind, I guess, since the 50s. What is the split screen mind? It's a mind that is split into I'm doing something and I'm watching to see if I'm doing it correctly. It is a divided mind. It is a mind that's separated from experience. It's a mind that's separated from existence, and it watches itself, and it juxtaposes incompatible viewpoints in one mind, and they go around and around and around like Groundhog Day. This is a schizophrenic mind. America is schizophrenic, not the clinical one, but the collective one. Kind of like schizophrenia is kind of metaphor for a mind divided against itself, and both of the voices appear to feel real. That's the problem with the split screen mind. Both voices are incompatible with each other, but both appear to be real. So how do you get out of it? So what's happened is that you have to choose sides. You got to choose sides. Pick one or the other. What do you want? Apple or orange? You can't have apple orange. You can't mix them together. You got to choose one or the other. This goes all the way back to Genesis. The American Western culture is a schizophrenic mind. It creates two, and you have to choose. That was Eve's dilemma. When she bit the apple by the deceiver, the snake, you see, you could call him Trump. When you bit the apple, life divided into two, good and evil, bad and good, right and wrong, up or down, in or out. Choose. And I remember when this happened to America, it was when cable came. Remember cable? I remember TV before it was cable. The networks. It was like the Catholic Church. The networks were the Trinity. ABC, CBS, NBC. They were different, but they all pointed to the same reality. Reality was one. And the news would tell us, we had our favorite anchor, we like Cronkite or Huntley Brinkley, or I forgot who ABC was. Anyway, we'd like our anchor, but the news was the same. The world was the same. The world was one. But then cable came, and it split, and Fox and the like. Fox came, and now the Trinity was broken, and now you had Fox. And Fox offered, or juxtaposed, an alternate choice of values, not just of values, like do you want chocolate or vanilla? Those are not values, those are flavors. So the networks, the three networks, offered you different flavors of reality. But Fox offered a totally different value system, reality, that didn't reference science, empirical science, but the Bible. You see this? You see it? When Fox came and all of his cousins, Fox came and all of his cousins, suddenly America became schizophrenic, and the Trinity, the Catholic Trinity of the networks, had a choice, you see? And that choice was not a flavor, but a choice of value. So now the Trinity and the world it reports. My TikTok stops and I don't know where I left off. So we're fresh here. I've never looked at this before. This is what my talks are. My talks are a discovery, and you have to hang in there with me to see where we're going, because I don't know. But where we're going now is showing how the modern mind has became psychotic or schizophrenic. Psychotic is a better word, but psychosis is when the world is fragmented. The world is fragmented with commercial parts. Just look, you got commercials, you got everybody selling you, I'm the one, I'm the KLEENIX, I'm the Hoover, I'm the vacuum cleaner, I'm the wine. Everybody says, all the commercials, we're bombarded with commercials, each one saying, I'm the one, buy me. And so the holy grail in marketing is when your brand becomes the one. And I'm using KLEENIX as an example. You say, I'm going to the store to get some KLEENIX, but you may come back with a Walmart brand, but you've got KLEENIX. So that name, KLEENIX, has restored the unity of the fragmentation of the tissues. There's only one tissue, KLEENIX. Now you can have different brands, you see, but KLEENIX, the name, has restored the fragmentation of the tissues. And this goes on into everything. So Trump, you see, is a marketer. That's all he is. And he discovered that he doesn't have to have real estate. The casinos failed. All he has to do is brand everything with Trump. And then Trump will be the one. Trump will be the king, you see. So this is a psychological reformation. Not a reformation, a Protestant reformation of the Catholic Church, but a psychological reformation of the fragmented modern mind, secular mind. The secular mind has no God. The secular mind has no religion. The secular mind has no one. It's a fragmentation. The secular mind is a fragmentation of commercial products, of things. And everything, as a corporation, and every corporation is trying to brand that particular product as the one. So every brand wants to become KLEENIX. Every vacuum cleaner wants to become Hoover. Every political fragmentation of government wants to become Trump, you see. This is difficult to understand because I'm just trying to understand it right now as I talk to you. I discover myself by talking to you. That's why my talks, my TikToks are a little TikToky because I have no theme to carry out the color scheme. I discover it as I go. So we're looking at Trump, at MAGA, as a commercial branding to resolve the stress of to restore the psychosis from its loss of center. The secular mind is fragmented by products and commercial products. That's all it is. Buy me, buy me, buy me, buy me. I'm the best, I'm the best, I'm the best. So we have a war of commercial products, and behind every product is a corporation. And through commercials, they fight to be number one. And so Trump just moved it to a political level. Where now, when cable came, the networks died, and you had an alternative brand. Try Trump, you'll like it. It'll restore your mind. You don't have to worry about anything. Trump is the one. Trump will restore the stress of fragmentation. Trump will restore your psychosis. Thanks for dropping in. Subscribe. Let's kick this insanity down the road.